As a salesperson, you are your greatest asset. Your charisma, confidence, and ability to create connections with prospects are what make the sale. But buying behaviors are changing. More and more buyers are demanding online options as we move toward a more distributed workforce. Historically, you could get your foot in the door with a cold call or email to catch the prospect's attention. But even those are becoming a hit or miss option, with 90% of today's B2B buyers saying they are not likely at all to respond to non-personalized messages and cold calls. So, how's a salesperson supposed to break through? In this episode, we'll explore what makes a perfect prospecting video and how you can master the process to open doors and unlock a whole world of sales opportunities. Video in sales is on the rise because of the human connection that it brings to an otherwise static interaction. When you can't be there in person, video creates a personal and authentic connection that shows off your personality. It also gives you an opportunity to use visuals to show instead of tell. It shows your effort and commitment and grabs attention because it stands out amongst all those other text-based emails. But just using video isn't enough. If you want to see results, you have to know how to use it to its fullest potential. So, let's dive in to explore the 6 most effective types of prospecting videos and why they work. Just like it sounds, this prospecting video features you speaking to the camera. It's easy to create and allows you to make a memorable first impression using your greatest asset. You, remember? This is your chance to let them know there's a real person behind those emails and that you're so confident that you can help that you're willing to put yourself on camera. While you may be tempted to make the webcam video all about yourself, don't forget, the content still needs to be all about them. Write their name on a whiteboard or use another prop to make it obvious that this video really was created just for them, right from the video thumbnail. Do your research ahead of time and speak to your prospect's unique position or problem. Speaking of doing your research, why not show that you've done it by taking a screen recording of your prospect's website as you speak about what you've learned about them and how you can help? Seeing their own website in the little video thumbnail will grab their attention for sure, because doesn't everyone want to know what someone is saying about them? Use a screen recording tool once again to hover over your prospect's very own LinkedIn profile. Not only will their LinkedIn profile grab their attention, it also gives you a lot to talk about. Did you go to the same school? Can you congratulate them on a new job or award won? Maybe their recent post directly relates to your solution. Feel free to click around and explain why your message is relevant for someone in their role, position, or industry. Seeing is believing. So why not record a quick demo video to show exactly how your product works and how it can benefit your client? If your product is something physical, like this vacuum, record the demo with your webcam or external camera. If your product lives online, use the screen recorder tool to give your prospect an idea of the look and feel and functionality. Just remember to keep it short and sweet, 90 seconds max. And don't answer all the questions up front. You still want to give your prospect a reason to respond. Now, sales prospecting isn't always straightforward. Sharing a useful article, research study, or event can be the shared experience you need to get your foot in the door. When you introduce the asset through video, you're taking the time to show your commitment and put a face to your name. It also lets you explain exactly why you think this asset would be helpful to your prospect, and that builds trust. Record custom videos for each of your Tier 1 prospects, but go ahead and record a generic version for all others. You can also post the generic version to your LinkedIn profile and tag prospects who might enjoy it. Ideally, all of the videos we've talked about so far should be personal. But this one provides the ultimate proof that you've done your homework and are committed to working with them. If you're prospecting into a restaurant chain that sells chicken wings, be like Frank Weschler here and deliver your pitch while eating their hottest blazing wings. If you're trying to book a meeting to discuss how you can improve distribution and packaging, think outside the box, like Matt at Woodway UK, who ordered a package from The Body Shop and made them an unboxing video to prove how his packaging solution was way more efficient than their current approach. Now, there's no simple formula for these videos. It's all about getting creative and putting yourself in the shoes of your prospect. And I mean that literally if you're prospecting a shoe company. From the selfie video to the short show and tell, what do all of these video types have in common? Relevance and relatability. Your video means nothing to your prospect unless it speaks directly to them and offers value for their time spent watching. And the more personal, relevant, and relatable the message, the more likely they are to press play and click reply. So salespeople, it's time to stop watching and start creating. Get out there and be relevant.